Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. You okay? Hey, everybody. Sorry about that, but we'll try this again. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I just want to apologize for the absence. I've been gone for over a month, and some of you guys are probably like, what the heck? I know there's people that I've met in person, and they're like, dude, need a video. So today is going to be a vlog. I'll be obviously car involved. That's why you guys clicked on the video, and that's why it's part of my channel. So we're going to be going to my very first car meet today, and this video is going to be a build up all the way up until that moment. I'm going to give you guys some, information on people that are there, let people talk about their builds, ask people about their builds, and then basically just make it, cool, add some music to it. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, definitely stay tuned because it's about to get awesome. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, and again, I apologize for the absence, and let's get right into it, guys. But first, you guys might be wondering, hey, you were going to talk about other people's builds, but what about yours? Okay, so the base model, the one that I rebuilt, my dad and I rebuilt, is running great, fantastic. I just did an oil change, and I just, with this Mobil 1 synthetic oil, it's good for 15,000 miles. So I'm not going to run it that long because that's pretty ridiculous. But I, just out of curiosity, I ran it for 10,000 miles, drained it. Looks amazing. But from now on, I will be doing like 3,000 to 5,000 mile oil changes. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that. And plus on the SL, I will be pulling the engine again because the transmission is just so shot. The fifth gear is completely gone. If you guys didn't know that, I will literally, if the car is running, I can put it into where fifth gear is supposed to be, put it in, and let off the clutch, and the car just stays running. It's completely gone. So, Brandon, VR4 guy, as you guys may know him, his Instagram will be down below, and yeah, I will be buying a transmission from him out of one of his parts cars. It's the blue one. If you guys look way back when we first went over there, you'll see the blue one in the back. That's the transmission I'm getting it from. I'm taking a shot in the dark to see if it's good and use it. But while the engine is out, I'm doing a bunch of maintenance on it. Basically stripping it completely down, and I will be doing all new gaskets. Basically a rebuild. I don't think I'm going to do bearings yet. I don't think I'm going to do bearings just because of the fact that, I'm going to open it up and we're going to see where we're at. But, I'm going the same rebuild kit I got from the first rebuild I did, or the same, I'm going through the same people, so, but I did get a solid timing tensioner, from IMR. I just bought that last night, and I will be doing the, basically top to bottom, almost rebuild minus like bearings and pistons, so all new gaskets, and timing kit, whole 9 yards, and I also got a master cylinder, so that will fix, hopefully, the remaining clutch problems I have. So anyway, guys, sorry for that little rant, but I know I wanted to keep you guys updated. It's been a while, but that will be happening the end of April. So I have a 10-day period between school school semesters, so I'll have a break between there. It's like 10 days, so I will be pounding out content for you guys for that. So stay tuned, and let's go back to the scheduled program. Bye. Alright, guys, so I just spent like 2.5 hours just cleaning the inside of my car. I still need to do like a last wipe down across the dash. Obviously steering wheel's not in. I cleaned out the back. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now, guys. I'm gonna clean up my mats, put them back in. The only thing I'm disappointed in is these wheels, how nasty they look. But I will be redoing them soon. But I'm definitely going to this meet today, so it doesn't matter. I don't care. Keep you guys updated. Jeez. Yeah, that's stock.
We're both stock. Fuck it, dude.
Already got the cops, boys. Give it to me. That's corn, baby. What's up, buddy? Oh, hey. Atta boy.
I want that car. Hey, get his
I didn't do it.
Rip.
This is bait. This is bait.
Hey.
I hate a lot of vapes.
I'm sorry. I didn't do it.
We're in Mexico.
No, we're in Baghdad, baby.
Come on, Kiefer.
Redline it.
Give it to me.
Go for it.
Come on, come on.
Redline's at 4,000.
Hey, mine doesn't go above 5.
Woo!
Oh, my shit's slow.
That sounds pretty badass.
I helped with that shit.
Atta boy. We're in Mexico still. Hell yeah!
That right there is bald eagles and freedom. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are wanting to keep up with the builds, there's that red CTS-V is like almost 900 wheel horsepower. So at the crank, it's got to be pushing around 1,000, the guy said. But anyway, there's a black Charger that is Hussein. Colt is the red CTS-V, and the white GTI is Akif, and the red Veloster is my friend Alex. I will link those guys, their Instagram down below if you want to check out their builds or just follow them. Totally do that. Again, guys, appreciate you guys watching the video. I know it's been like a month since I posted my last video, but I will be uploading frequently again now that the weather is back to normal. I will be doing more car meets. I met a lot of nice people today, and stay tuned for the next video, guys, because we're going to keep doing more car meets like this. Have a good one.